Freya. Alright, Cash. Cash is jealous. He's getting big. Did something to his back leg. He's getting better, but keeping an eye on that. And the Cooney Coons. So I'm going to say good morning, you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. Looking for the piglets. They're like everywhere, all over the place. I haven't posted in a couple days. We've been pretty busy. Had the grandkids here over the weekend. But there's some of the piglets. There's 4 of them. They're all for sale. Come get them. I don't know where the other one is. I think the other one's over there with Dad. Let's go see if we can find the other one. There's a rip dog. We can get over here and it's going to go to the other side. Yep, there he goes. That's Bert, Daddy Pig. He's a big pig. Bert. I know Freya. She wants her belly rubbed. What's up, Freya? Huh? What? What? You want belly rub? That's going to be it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.